since I'm already here, let me just give you all a different view. Vlog.
I was gonna sex on the beach.
Yay. Why she watch?
Oh, she's stealing.
Oh, she's stealing. She's stealing.
I'm ready.
What's up, Seashells? It's Shelby, and I'm back with another
Bumble Club video.
per. And today we're here with and you know, the whole reason we're here, you know, I gotta reveal this lovely guest on the channel today, the birthday girl. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday to ya. Happy birthday. My birthday. Hi guys. Keeping it up.
Period.
Keeping up with Jay.
Period.
Her. Okay, so let me tell y'all what's on the agenda for this here weekend.
A joke.
We don't know.
We absolutely don't know. We're just go outside.
But you know, we're outside.
Another outside. Yeah. Bang. Her.
So yeah, we kind of want like an outside breeze, and it go very loud. Wait, don't do that.
yeah, I'm just bad friend. Bad.
Yeah, so we get like an outside breeze, and then you know when we reach like halfway the journey, because we don't reach halfway yet.
Come update on
We'll come back. Okay. Hey. We're not even reaching at the house good yet.
Okay.
Alright. So guys, this don't make sense. Okay. So we just got to.
Alright. Fuck it up, this is your birthday, bitch. Hey,
fuck it, it's your birthday. You know, secure. And
I know. Remember, I'm just drunk time like a yeah.
Okay. So guys, we just got to the, what do you call this? What do you call it? Villa. The Airbnb. We got to the Airbnb, and it's night now. Mind you, I'm gonna from after 11. The time.
That's true. I got her late.
12 then.
I got you at about 1 o'clock. So, yeah.
Why you lying?
You were lying.
Why you lying?
I got the phone records to prove it.
Go. Okay. Okay.
Embarrass myself.
Embarrass yourself.
Hold on.
I'm waiting.
Nice though. Never realized it's so cute. Yeah, it's cute.
Yeah, it is.
Okay.
Never put proof.
What's your name, man?
Shelby. Me, I wait for
Shelby.
Anyways.
Ready? Oh fuck.
Why you call me?
Girl, I'm not used to the iPhone thing. Don't embarrass me. No.
Oh, I thought so.
No. One time. Why would I call you when I already have you in the car? That's stupid. So I got you at this time and not that time. It's 12:22.
Okay, which is after 12.
Okay, whatever.
Okay. So I'm ready from before 11 o'clock. Call it 11 o'clock. They said, meet at Dove by 11. We're leaving at 11. I know. You know what time we left? About 3 o'clock. So guys, we are currently at the supermarket getting a little something.
The spicy sausage we got.
Yeah, I like that spicy sausage.
Stand down for what?
Period. Oh yeah, get Band Rock. Do they have
the Band Rock?
Do they, huh?
You gotta make it lit.
Yeah. Here's the Band Rock. Period. Here's the goddamn Band Rock.
Oh, she found it.
She found the Band Rock.
I found the Band Rock.
So guys, we're scheming. There are some people that are here that we want to go on. Okay.
They leave.
We don't have nothing against them, you know, we don't know them, but you know, kind of just want to work place yourself.
That was the plan anyways.
Yeah, and they're
still
claiming to be leaving tonight, but you know, it's now
It's like 9 o'clock. Bitch is tired.
9 o'clock.
We're tired.
Go home.
We want to get late.
Go home. So we're just gonna play some hide and seek.
Right, true. Period.
Get your asses home.
I'm ready.
Bruh.
Oh,
Yo.
Better.
JPS.
Oh no.
Go back. Right, get there.
Okay.
Can we get some water?
Yeah, I need some water.
So only the choke on dead.
Don't leave me here.
Mario.
No,
Table.
no, people.
Eh?
That's about it.
God, God, and this trip was frightened for reals. Girl, was
You love
frightened
this
for
phone, don't you hear that?
Cut the lights. Dead air. I feel like I'm in some scary movie where I have to
really
be.
were expecting to pull it. Just like honestly, so that's those screams were real.
No, they were actually like genuine.
But it worked though, yeah.
It worked. Good morning, world. So I woke up a couple hours ago, probably 2 hours or 3 hours ago, but it's because everybody else is asleep. I didn't want to make so much noise because the place kind of echoes. But now that everybody's up, and I guess because them belly did a ball, so that's why I wake up. We're about to make some breakfast. So yeah, and I have my tripod here because girl, I've been like TikTok as you wake. Like I feel like it's an obsession at this point. So don't look at me like that. I was waiting for my TikTok. I look pale. I thought I was gonna get some glowy sun, but a bitch is pale. I'm making my TikToks. And what about it?
It's the ring light for me.
And what about it?
I don't know what's so serious right now.
Good morning!
Hey!
It's about time I started making some noise up in this bitch.
You want to my belly this morning? Well, let me know what you ate last night before we go to bed.
Right?
This morning,
Yeah.
At 2 o'clock this morning, we eating now.
Wasn't it late so?
No.
Brother,
When you come out, it was just 2 o'clock.
Wow.
What did we do? No. Yo,
Let me show you guys what them do last night.
All
so,
that.
that's done.
Pretty much.
That's pretty almost done. That's basically done. And this is cleaned. This is finished. Nothing. Nah, that's right. And then I guess they're gonna continue the shenanigans today.
I got my moe in the suitcase.
Oh, and I got my way. Okay.
Yeah.
What are we cooking, chef?
We're gonna have some scrambled eggs and cheese, some bacon, and some black dog sausages. And some toast.
We have enough bread? Like how we had bread last night?
Yeah, man.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
We
we
got.
got the bread thing still. So one slice of me good in the morning time.
I mean, if it's garlic bread,
I think I make you garlic bread again.
Are we doing more garlic bread?
Y'all, that's for special occasions.
Okay.
One of the days I get
All right, later in the night. Okay, we can do it tonight. Fine, we're not pressure you.
Oh, I forgot. Oh, more man.
Well, yeah, we need more mac and cheese. Listen, me no know if it's because me did look a bit tipsy last night or what, but that mac and cheese.
It's slap. No, it's slap.
I don't know.
Girl, you didn't make me the love what it need.
Me no know.
You are welcome.
But god damn. Can you give me a piece of that?
Okay, let's.
We have a sample piece.
Yeah, man, I'm hungry.
Bad. I feel like a long time. I'm gonna cook at this point. Thank you very much. Ooh.
Alright, let's take it off the stove to be ready. I love my bacon isn't crispy.
Okay, I like crispy bacon. But this works too.
I like it this way.
Balance. Not too crispy, Not cooked. Also.
I know I said I was pescatarian.
Yeah.
But
I been eating.
let me tell y'all something. This pescatarian ain't never gonna stop eating bacon.
And that's what? Okay.
I will never stop eating.
You're not gonna live to see that. That will never.
Never. It never ever happen. Me and bacon, never stop eating it sick. Are you dumb?
The fuck? Oh, you need these
And-
These are food.
I haven't done mine yet, and I'm just saving Shelby. I'm like, shit, she in my room. I don't wanna.
You don't detox do that after a drink?
You don't do that?
No. That's crazy. Guys, one another drink, like proper drink the night before.
Don't you take a poo-poo in the
and after
morning?
detox do though? Tell me, leave it in the comments them. Right,
But
true.
it's a known fact that this is too much information, but
Uber facts right here.
Always gotta go
Uber fact, it's a known fact though that alcohol loosens your bowels.
Period.
So it makes bowel movement.
I don't know.
More.
Maybe because I'm always a drop asleep.
No,
when
it
you
happens
wake
in
up
the morning.
Yeah, it's
not
not
the same time.
But I never shit this morning. I don't shit
But
it.
you barely drink shit anyways.
Yeah, so I mean, I know I'm gonna shit today. Let me tell y'all something. So these felt like they're gonna come to the beach without a towel.
Take the mask off now.
How do y'all feel? Stupid.
I don't feel
I brought my towel. I worse than I don't feel the way.
You got what we call a rag, okay?
I'm a total girl.
You have a rag.
But y'all ain't got. What's the
That's
point?
alright. We got
The
air
point
dry.
is y'all ain't got.
Naturally.
Natural.
Oh well, a bitch is gonna be cold, so I'm gonna need that rag.
Okay.
Damn, the sky looks really nice.
Let's get some pictures in before it
What
gets
the hell? Why are bright? Why are things so bright? Guys, I have not been to a beach in so long. This feels very foreign to me. Yeah.
Wait, my bag.
Yeah. Yeah, good there. Ain't nobody listening.
Come on, go take pictures so.
But we're gonna take some pictures.
I'm not really going to myself.
You know, it's a nice little either. I can't but I wash up all of that stuff. And
Yeah,
ready to go
girl.
yet, so.
So, I did my
Are we excited for later? I think I'm a little bit excited.
I
I'm excited to dress up.
Yeah, more come
I don't know.
out.
I'm gonna come on.
Tabu can't open up.
That we do know. That we do. Winding it out. Winding it
Come
out.
to later. What got after that?
Listen.
Part.
It's the colors for
If
me.
y'all
No,
thought-
Shelby.
I don't know what.
I want me
really
tonight.
don't know.
My camera.
everything is
That's so
really
bright
nice.
and I love this for me. I love
like
you though.
And plus, unlike yours can always edit to look like this. So
I ain't nobody got time for that shit.
Oh, it's the strings for me. Let me start from the foot though.
Alright.
Oh, it's the anklets for me.
shop my Omoy for the anklets, you know. Anklets. Don't look at my toes,
Link in the description.
It's the anklets for me.
Oh, I'm coming up,
For
honey.
me, it's the strings for me.
Oh, yes, Shelby.
It's
Oh,
the stomach for me.
it's the ruffles for me. Ooh, it's the shades for me.
Not the shade. Ooh, get up my 12 friend.
Yes.
Body good, body
Yes. So what?
good.
Just updating y'all. It worked.
It works, ain't it?
It worked.
What was the question?
What,
Say the
what
question
was the
again.
question?
Let's see if you guys are American.
There we go. There we go. Yeah. There we go.
Radio.
Is that Anya? Guys! Oh my god! Okay, come over here. I see my whole face! Why is this song? You couldn't just excited.
Some of them stay.
Jaguar Shelby.
bartender.
The things we'll do for a birthday. Almost there, almost there. I'm never out of cream.
I guess that's it.
No, he's a tiny, but
We gonna see what we do.
we can't curry this, but you know.
That just means it's tiny blowjobs. It's not like.
Okay, you gotta do what you gotta
Ariola be out.
It's your birthday, girl.
This is not how we got here, but this is how we're leaving. Toasting.
We toasted.
We toasting to more life
We
for
toasted
our
to
girl
what?
Judith.
Yay!
You know you don't pop all these bottles for no reason.
Okay. I don't pop all these bottles for no reason.
We didn't pop all these bottles.
For no reason. To our girl Judith.
People,
So bad.
we having the damn time of our lives out here in Montego.
You know what thing we drunk? You know what thing we drunk? We haven't even started drinking yet, y'all.
And we are lit.
Lit. And that's what?
Mo wish me could have shown a while ago. Oh, the man drop out of the van like him.
I like him like when coconut fall on a tree. Yo, it's always that Yo, come strip me up. You're a sport.
People. Me? Just want securities. I'm very upset about this though.
Dog, but just feel my toe bump.
I just saw it happening. Guys.
Wait, my Seashells cover the thing, yeah. Mama.
I can't.
What's that 5 seconds of friend? Judah, it's been
Judah.
I was trying to save the one that was just on the side.
Listen, y'all. I will transport the food because just can't be trusted. Anyway.
No, the plan was what happened was
What happened was
I was gonna make mac and cheese, scrambled eggs, and garlic bread. But then we got really hungry, and you weren't back with the bread yet. So we're like, guys.
We didn't get up yet.
No man, you did.
Oh.
When you leave the mat, they basically almost done. So I say, so forgetful right now, you know. 1, 2, 3.
But there is no sunshine. Woo! There's nothing but clouds in the night when it feels like a cold night. Woo! Today's a new day. But where are my blue skies?
It's out there. It's out there.
Better than love and my joy and the promises it is alright.
I almost gave up, lit up, but I can't explain.
So guys, we're leaving. We are leaving. It is now 4:40. It's Sunday, and we about to head our asses back to reality. So, we're just actually just finished packing our stuff, and yeah, we're about to head out. And have a look what left. People are what am I saying? Make a look like people in my door. Good, so
Hi, how are you doing?
we leaving.
I'm sad. I don't want to go. Kids on his toxic. He ghetto. Fucking ghetto, but
We gotta go. Yeah, we will. For Johnny. So guys, we're leaving finally. Well, not really finally. We don't really want to leave, but you know, we're leaving. So you know, we're just telling you an official bye.
we sad.
Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Subscribe to the Birthday Girls channel.
Period. Keeping up with Jay.
And on
All
that
of these
note,
bitches on social media.
Yeah.
This is a serial entrepreneur.
I'm Debbie King.
it'll be on the screen.
Yeah.
And Miss Picasso Boss.
You don't know what
Period.
And do the _biz on Instagram and that's on what.
Period.
And on that note,
Bye.